Earlier, I created a YouTube video where I showed you how to connect your Gmail, whether it's free Gmail or Google Workspace, to Microsoft Outlook. Now I want to show you how to remove the Microsoft apps and services from your Google account when you decide you no longer want to use Microsoft Outlook. But before I show you how to do this, I create these videos for you. Do me a huge favor. Subscribe to the channel. If I helped you in any way this video, hit the like button. If you have any question, please comment on the video and ask me any question. I promise you I will answer it, sometimes with another video. So let's get started. Now, as long as you have access to Outlook, then you can do it all from right here. You literally just go up here to go to settings, you click on this arrow right here, and you manage and you remove the account. Again, as long as you have access to Outlook, you can do it from here. But again, if you don't have access to this Microsoft Outlook, maybe because you left that company or for whatever reason, you can still get Microsoft out of your Google account. And the way you do it is you go back to your Google account, sign into your Google account, go to settings, go to your third-party apps right here, and there's Microsoft apps and services right there. I can click on that. I can look at the details, or I can delete all, remove all links, and stop sharing your Google account data with Microsoft apps and services. Now, however, if you still have access to Outlook, it's not so hard to do. You go to Outlook, you go to settings, you go right here, hit this arrow, go to manage, and you remove account. Sign out on all devices would be my recommendation. When I do that, that Gmail account's no longer connected. Let me go back to my Google account. And if I come back and I refresh, if I go look at third-party apps and services, Microsoft Apps and Services is gone. Now, there's a reference to it under Security and Sign-In where I recently added, but if you go look at it, it's now gone. Let's go do the same thing for the Google Workspace account. Let me come out of this. Let me go to my Google Workspace. Let me go over here, manage my Google account. Let's go to linked apps. Let's get rid of that. Let's come down here, and you can see right here is Microsoft Apps and Services. So click on that. Now I can see details and remove these individually, or just simply delete all. Delete all. When you delete all, you might not be able to access Microsoft Apps and Services. What happens? Microsoft Apps and Services will no longer have access to my account. I'm good with that. Confirm. And it pops up and says I'm no longer doing it. I'm good with that. And if I come back here to linked apps and I go down here and look at it, get rid of that, you'll see Microsoft is no longer in there. And Microsoft's down there yelling at me because we need to launch a browser so you can sign back in. No, that's not what I want to do. I'm trying to remove it. Now, I removed it from Google side, but on the Outlook side, it thinks it's still connected. Now, it still has old emails, but it's no longer connected. Even down here it says sign in again. If I close that down, it's gone. Now, let's see what happens. It wants me to sign in. Now, unfortunately, removing it from the Google side before I remove it from the Outlook side, it doesn't remove all of these email messages that are in here. They're still there. There's not many, but they're still there. Ideally, the best way to do it is in Outlook. Go up top, go to settings, there's that account, hit that arrow, hit manage, remove account, and say sign out from all devices. And now all of my Google accounts are removed. But again, though, if you do not have access to Outlook anymore, at the very least, go to your Google account, go to linked apps, and remove it from there. If you do have access to Outlook still, I recommend you remove it from there first, which will also remove it from the Google account side. I'm Teddy. I'm all about Google Workspace and Gmail. I'm all about managing access to that, and I hope this is helpful for you.